Alright, so we know at this point that the derivative of e to the x is itself. It's important to keep this in mind. F of x equals e to the x, then f prime is equal to e to the x as well. E to the x is its own derivative. But what about e to the negative x and e to the negative 3x and this mess right here? Well, in number 8, what applies here is the chain rule, because it's not x, but it's negative x wrapped inside of e to the x. So that means the derivative is first itself. Okay, so that's the derivative of the outside function multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which in this case is negative x. So the derivative of that is negative 1. So our final answer is negative e to the negative x. Okay. Quite elegant. Let's look at number 9. The derivative of e to the negative 3x. Well, then g prime is equal to the derivative of the outside function, which is just itself, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. And the inside function here is negative 3x, so its derivative is negative 3. So now we have negative 3e to the negative 3x as our derivative. One more example, number 10. It's important to point out here that 1 over the square root of 2 pi is a constant. Right? Don't forget that fact. It's a constant. So nothing much changes about it because it's a constant. So we just leave it alone and we figure out what's the derivative of the rest of this. Well, the derivative of the outside function is itself. This is the beauty of e. Times the derivative of the inside function. So the inside function is negative x squared over 2. So the derivative of that is negative 2x over 2, which is just negative x. So h prime of x is equal to this fun constant that we have here in the front, times e to the negative x squared over 2. And there should be this negative sign there in the front. Right. So there you have it. 3 examples here of how to take the derivative of an exponential when you have something a little bit more complicated in the exponent. As always, ask for help if you need it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.